Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for Physics Class 12. Start by deeply understanding the core concepts rather than simply memorizing equations. Physics builds on foundational ideas, so a strong grasp of these will make advanced topics much clearer. Try to visualize the physical phenomena described, perhaps by drawing diagrams or relating them to everyday experiences. This approach helps solidify your knowledge and makes problem-solving more intuitive. Consistent practice is crucial for success in physics. Work through numerous problems, starting with simpler ones and gradually moving to more challenging exercises. Don't just look for the correct answer. Focus on understanding the method and reasoning behind each step. If you get stuck, review the relevant theory and try again. This active engagement with problems builds your analytical skills and confidence. Effective revision is key to retaining what you've learned. Summarize important concepts and formulas into short notes or flashcards for easy access. A powerful technique is to explain complex topics to someone else, or even just to yourself, as this highlights any gaps in your understanding. Regularly quiz yourself on different topics to identify areas needing more attention, ensuring you're well prepared for exams. Maintaining a well-organized study routine is vital. Plan your study sessions, dedicating specific blocks of time to different physics chapters and problem types. Don't hesitate to ask your teachers or classmates for help when you're struggling with a concept. Collaboration can be very beneficial. Remember to take short breaks and stay hydrated throughout your study sessions for optimal focus and energy. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay refreshed and on top of your studies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.